Hello guys, welcome to the Code Ashram. My name is Rahul Shekhawat and this is our second video in the series of Selenium with Java. So in this tutorial we will learn how to create a Maven project in IntelliJ. So I have this IntelliJ IDE open so we can create a Maven project in IntelliJ. We have chosen IntelliJ but you can also choose Eclipse for the Maven project as well. So first, we need to click on the new project. So here we will see step by step wise how you can create a new Maven project. So after clicking on the new project, you have to you have to give a name of your project. We will let's set it to test automation. Then you can set the location where you want your Maven project get installed. So you have to we will be working with Java, so you have to select Java and Maven, and you also have to select the JDK version you want to work with. So I have this 17 version installed, so it is showing me 17. So here you can see in the advanced settings there is a group ID and artifact ID. Group ID and artifact ID are nothing but they are way to uniquely identify your project. So in group ID, let's give it a name org github dot code ashram, and here artifact id remains test automation. Yeah, I think that is all what we need. We don't need anything else to be done, so I think yeah, we can click on the create button and this will create a new Maven project for us in IntelliJ. So after creating a new Maven project, you will see a SRC folder in which you will see two folders, main and test. So you will see a file over here. You can delete this file because there is no need for this file. It is just example or sample file for you. So you see your group ID over here, org github.code ashram. So in main, basically you write all the functionalities that are not the code that is which is meant for testing. And in the test, you write all your test cases, all the classes. You store all the classes which are related to your test cases. So yeah, you'll see the POM file already open over here. It is you'll see the Maven compiler source. We are using the Java 17, so you will see the 17 over here. You can also see the group ID and artifact over here mentioned over here. So now we will mention all the dependencies we need for this project, and there are three important dependencies we need for this project. First is Selenium because we are gonna work with Selenium test framework. So you can get the Selenium Maven dependency from here, from the Maven's central repository official website. So 4.5.0 is the latest Selenium version right now. So after copying it from here, you need to copy paste it over here. And after Selenium, we will be working with TestNG. So you can also go and copy the dependency for TestNG. So you see 7.6.1 is the latest dependency. So we copy it and paste it over here. You see that the scope is mentioned as test in this dependency, uh, which you need to be very careful of. If you are gonna use any testng's method or class in the Java folder, then it will throw you error. So it's important that you remove it if you are gonna use any test-ng's method or classes in the Java folder as well. So let's remove it for our convenience. So after copying the dependencies of Selenium Java, what else we would need is we would need a WebDriver manager as well. So we can search it over here, WebDriver manager. I don't think this is the one which we need. Driver manager Maven dependency. We copy it here. So when you mention your the dependencies in this pom.xml, what happens is that when you try to build the project, it will first try to download all the dependencies. It will first try to check in your local system that whether these dependencies or these the jar files which are related to these dependencies are already installed in your system or not. If they are not, then it will try to download those dependencies first. And let me show you where these jar files are stored in your system. So you can go to the C folder, C users, your profiles folder, and then there is will be a .m2 folder. You can go to the repository and you see all the dependencies are installed, all the jar files, all the dependencies are installed in this folder. So to verify that whether your dependency is properly installed or not, you should go to the .m2 folder and check whether they are, if they you want to verify, then you can verify over here. For example, if I want to verify that Selenium Java is installed properly installed for me or not, then I can go to the org. Then you can check the group ID org Selenium headquarters. Selenium HQ, then Selenium. So you will see all the Selenium related jar files are downloaded here for me. Similarly for TestNG and WebDriver Manager, you can also check. So yeah, you don't need any other dependency for now to proceed with writing your first test cases with Selenium and Java for now. So yeah, I think yeah we will cover the how we would start with the creating your first test cases for writing your first test cases in Selenium and Java in next tutorial. So until then, wait for the next videos. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.